you got no space. Literally bone on that lower segment there.
Yeah.
What I was talking about here, you know, you do like kind of a static decompression before.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do here first, this is how I like to do it. I find it a lot more effective than just kind of laying on that machine, your legs bent, laying on your back. So we know what this area looks like here. When this table here goes down, yeah, you feel that already, right?
Uh-huh.
Yep, and I can actually isolate where I want it.
Okay.
It's hard to replicate the human touch.
All right.
So you can try to find all these machines and entrapments to stimulate that, but it's never as effective. So when this table goes down here, George, are you feeling that pretty big stretch there?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
For sure.
It's like a hurt so good.
Exactly.
Yeah. This table goes down, we're really forcing that lower joint open. And what that's going to do, it kind of creates like this